what I'm going to show you right here is the inner tie wear that all Lexus have. People think that this is a problem, but it's not. It's the way the car is designed. As you can see right here, it's already, the tires are damaged. Not completely, but it's damaged already. So I purchased these tires like a 1 year and a half, and at the same time I purchased the fixed engineering bushing, and there is another brand they call RR Racing. So on both of them, they promise you like as soon as you install that product, it's gonna fix the inner tie wear. But this is the proof that it's not. They don't solve anything. So right now I'm gonna show you the fixed engineering. So I installed those like a 1 year and a half, and when you install this product, the handling, the feeling on the steering wheel when you're cornering, there is a big difference. It feels way better. It's really nice. I don't complain about that. But they we're gonna resolve the inner tie wear, that's false. So what you need to buy is the adjustable upper control arm to fix the problem. So that is the thing that I'm gonna show you right now. How to install it. Still you need to take the car to do alignment, but it's just like the closer way to fix the problem so your tires can last longer. So we have negative camber, so we're gonna push it out a little bit, and I will show you right now how to do it. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove this and the bolt. This is 17 millimeter, and inside over there is 14, but don't worry, because the other nut, on the other side will be right here. So it's holding it right there, so you don't need to do anything. So now I'm gonna come back over here. I'm gonna work on this one right now. So I'm gonna remove this one. Again, 17. You can use impact gun or whatever you have, but it's not that tight. So now this one, we're gonna leave it that loose, and we're gonna hit it with a hammer right here. You can use something here to press, but since this one is still in good condition, this is the video I do previously, so it's still good, so I don't want to damage. So what I'm going to do is just hit it right here. Now that it's loose, you need to secure this part, because as soon as you remove this part, this one completely is gonna fall off. So just put a zip tie right here around with the spring, just to make sure to hold it. We're gonna leave it right now there. Now we're gonna work on the ones inside. So for this one, you will need this kind of tool, a ratchet. It'll make things more easy. You will see that it's loose, but now we go the other side. I'm gonna leave it like that right now, so you can see I can take it off all the way already. It doesn't matter, but I just want some pressure on the other side. Breaking loose this. You will have to put it from here. Okay. Now this one. Now we are here. Okay. This is the tool that you need to measure how many degrees you need to move the camber. So I'm gonna explain a easy way to use it right now, so we can proceed to adjust the camber. This is the tool that you need to get to know is you have positive and negative camber. It has a knob right here. You can see one side is gonna go up, and if I go to the other side will be the other one. So you need to find a flat surface like this one, so to know, and you need to leave it exactly on 0. This is something average. It won't be exactly. Still, you need to take the car to alignment. So just make the bubble is between the 2 positive and the 2 negative. As soon as you have that one, that's perfect. So you can start working on your car. So this one we will put it on the rotor. Obviously it's a Lexus, so we have negative. So see how many degrees we have, and we're gonna work from that. So I'm gonna leave it right there, and that is fine. And let's go check the car now. So on the right side, I'm gonna try to see where is located the bubble. So right now it's showing me the edge of the bubble on the negative side is on the number 2, but we center the bubble on 0, so it will be 1. So we have 1 degree negative. So we're gonna try the other side, see how it is. So on the other side, it shows the same, the bubble is in the middle of the 1 negative degree. So with the adjustable control arm, we just need to move it 1 degree, and like that will be, let's say, straight. So let's move to the adjustable control arms. So how we see before, we have 1 negative degree, so we want it on 0 so our tires can be straight. So you need to push the ball joint 1 degree, but you cannot convert degree to inches. So I just came out with this idea, and it's up to you as you do it, but I know it's in work because I take the car to alignment already. So that's what I did. It's like from 1 to 0 is 3/16 of an inch. So on the video I show a little piece of paper like this, because this is I'm gonna move the ball joint 3/16 of an inch. So, and then when you do that and you lock everything, and when you install, so I take it to the alignment, and that's what it shows now. So as you see, the camber it's right in the middle. It's never gonna be perfect. Whatever place that you take for alignment, it never will be like 0 0 0 0. It can be positive, it can be negative. As soon as in between the range, it's fine. But you see, I do that and it worked perfect. I know degrees nothing to do with inches, but that's what I did, and it works. So when we're talking about camber, I just want to show you this. It's this one like this right here. So we have it like that. We have negative, we want it straight, and then we have positive. Now over here we see right here caster. So caster, what I mean is the position of the shock. So we have it like this, but on this one it doesn't matter because the shock is not adjustable. So on some of the car they have it in the middle. It can be negative or it can be positive. We have a positive, but that it doesn't matter because it's not adjustable. And then when they are talking about toe is this, the way that is pointing your tires. It can be pointing in, it can point it out. So of course those need to be straight. So as soon I do that one, you see everything works. The caster doesn't matter, and you see this one is almost 0, so it's almost perfect. And this one, so if you want to follow what I did here, for sure it's gonna work on your car too. You need to push the ball joint all the way here, so it will be the same distance as the factory one, and then we're gonna push it forward 316. Okay, as I showed you before, now I'm gonna use the 316 pieces paper. So I'm gonna locate it right on the end of the ball joint, and I'm gonna mark it right on the edge, but inside where is end the pieces paper. Then I'm gonna push the ball joint forward where is end the mark, because that is the way that I needed to make the tire straight. And now we're gonna tighten. Now that it's ready, just do it like this, and see, it go perfect. See, and maybe there. So now I'm gonna try this bolt now. Now let's try the other bolt. Yes. If you lubricate, that's why it's so easy to move it around. If you don't do it, you're gonna get stuck. Now we tight. Get done. Now we're gonna move to this one. Okay, now this one over here. I'll pull this one out a little bit. No, more out. Let's see, like this. Yeah. Now that is there. It's cut. Now I need to find the hole. Right there. Hole is right here on this side. Let's see. No, yeah. Now just do the same on the other side, put the tires back and take the car to the alignment, so make sure everything is okay. If you have any question, please comment on the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.